Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're making beautiful Indian flag stickers perfect for Independence Day, Republic Day, or just to show some patriotic love. Let's get started. First, measure and draw small rectangles on the sticker paper. Now, let's color the top section saffron and the bottom green. Keep the middle white for the Ashoka Chakra. If you're using paints, let them dry before moving to the next step. For the Ashoka Chakra, you can either draw it with a blue pen or cut and paste a printed version. Make sure it's centered for the perfect look. Once everything is dry, carefully cut out each flag. If you're using sticker paper, just peel off the backing, and you're ready to stick them anywhere. And there you have it, your very own Indian flag stickers. Super easy and fun to make. Let me know in the comments where you'd stick these. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Ds. See you in the next video. Bye!